What's up people, Patrick here once again with another great tutorial. Today it's about carbon ceramic effect for brakes on sports cars. There are some readily available paints from some manufacturers that imitate that effect, so you just have to buy them and then paint with them. Nah, just kidding. You know I like to make some modeling things the old way. So I'm showing you how to make that effect with the things you probably already have. But what's a carbon ceramic brake? Well, according to manufacturers, carbon ceramic is a composite material that combines carbon fibers, silicon carbide and metallic silicon. It first was used for race cars, but it has been expanding towards street sports cars for luxury brands such as Ferrari, Porsche, Lamborghini and even high-spec Audis and BMWs. They provide a high-performance braking and extreme durability. Visually, it's a matte metallic black disc with non-uniform highlights. Those highlights are the metallic silicon in the composite. So we have to find a way to make that effect, and it's easier than you might think. You will just need, besides the brake discs to paint, black and white paints. First, we will prepare the brake discs of our model. Whether they are 100% plastic, 100% PE, or a combination of both, we must get the discs assembled and ready for action. Once they are assembled, we put them in our preferred holding device and get to the paint booth. Alright, so now that we are ready to paint, we must analyze the situation. Carbon ceramic discs have a dark metallic gray or kind of blackish base color, so we should try to get that paint. As I usually prime every part I paint, and I highly recommend you to do so, I like to make an all-in-one kind of procedure. Using black and white primers, I mix them until I have my desired base color and apply a couple of layers in the part, leaving 10 to 15 minutes in between. You can use any other kind of paints you feel comfortable with too. Once the primer is dry, it's time for the next step. You probably remember the airbrushing basics, where it said that the higher the pressure or the thinner the paint, the more diffuse is the spray, and the lower the pressure or thicker the paint, the bigger the droplets. Well, this is one of the exceptions of those basics. We need thick paint and low pressure to get this effect. Also, we will put the airbrush at a higher distance than usual. So, put some unthinned white paint in the airbrush cup, set the air pressure as low as your airbrush can speed paint with, set a higher distance from the airbrush to the part, and just mist the paint on it. A couple of passes and the disc will be filled with tiny white dots that will imitate the metallic carbon effect on the discs. Here's how it looks on video. I'll put you a high resolution picture in a second. You can now mask the disc area and paint the hub the colors you want. Here is how you imitate carbon ceramic brake discs for your models. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Have a good one and catch you later. Bye!